In this video, you are going to learn how to create a Facebook ad from your phone, how to target your audience, then how to create your ad creative to sell your products and services. If you don't know me, my name is Wahab Muibi, and I'm the CEO of Wablox Digital Agency. I help people to run a Facebook ads that sell like crazy. Let's get started. If you want to use your phone to set up a profitable Facebook ad campaign, you need two things. The first app that you need Facebook app, then you need a Meta Ads Manager app. So these two apps is what you need to set up a Facebook ad campaign from your smartphone. So let's get started. If you are using an Android, you go to your Play Store. Then if you are using an Apple phone, you go to your Apple World. So let's go to Play Store. I'll click on Play Store. Now you search Facebook. Then I've installed Facebook on my phone, so there's no need of installing Facebook again. Then let's go to Meta Ads Manager. If you don't have Meta Ads Manager on your phone, you need to install it. This is Meta Ad Manager. So this is the two apps that you need in order to run a Facebook ad from your smartphone. So you log into your Facebook. This is my Facebook. I've logged into my Facebook. Then I'm assuming that you have a page that you'll be using to promote your adverts on your Facebook. So then we'll go to Meta Ads. This is Meta Ads Manager. Is loading. Now, this is the Meta Ads Manager. This is where you set up your ads, while Facebook will review your ads, then approve it, and it will start running, start making sales like crazy. But let me quickly say this. Before you run your Facebook ads, you need to have what we call a goal. You need to have a goal. What do you want to do? What do you want Facebook to achieve for you? Then you merge your goal, your business goal, with Facebook campaign goal. So this is where you set up a campaign that can achieve your goal for you. So you need to have a goal. Then the second thing you need to have an audience, an ideal audience that you want to target. You need to have an ideal audience that you want to target. Where is their location, their age? If you have this, then you can set up your campaign, target this audience. This audience will now be able to see your ads and buy from you. So this is Meta Ads Manager interface. This is how it looks like. Then the first thing that you need to do, the gear icon on the left top, that is where you select your ad campaign, your ad account that you want to use for this campaign. So the first thing that you need to do, you click on this to select your ad manager. Now it's loading. So I'm using this ad campaign for this training. So I've selected the ad campaign. If you watch on this ad campaign, I've spent 424,000 plus to run a campaign for my business in the last 1 month, and I've made over 5 million naira from this ads. So you can see the ad spend, and I've made so much money from Facebook ads. So once you select your ad account, the next thing you click on the plus sign on the right top. That is where to start your campaign from. So you click on the plus sign, then this plus sign will bring out the create new campaign window for you. What is your objective? I told you before you run a campaign, you need to have an objective. What do you want to achieve? What is your goal? My goal is to sell a product. So I'm going to look for a campaign objective that tally with my sales. So we have engagement objective. Engagement objective is whereby you want people on Facebook to engage on your posts. Then we have awareness. Awareness is you want to create an awareness for a product or your page, and you want Facebook user to engage in your post as well. Then we have traffic objective. If you are looking for a traffic from Facebook to your website or to your WhatsApp or Messenger, you can as well use a traffic. Facebook will drive a traffic to your website or to your Messenger. Then we have a leads. If you are a service-based company where you render a service, for example, you are a lawyer or a medical practitioner or a service-based where you render a service, you can use a lead. Facebook will drive leads for you, audience, people that is interested in what you are selling. Facebook will drive them to you. Then we have sales objective. The sales objective is the one that tally with what I want to do on Facebook. I want to sell a product. So I'm going to use the sales objective. We also have app promotion. App promotion is if I want to promote an app where I want Facebook user to download the app, maybe like a game or any other app. This is the objective that tally with app install goal. But what I want to do now is I want to sell a product. So I'm going to click on sales. Then you allow it to load. Now, this is sales. I've clicked on sales campaign. That is the objective because I want to sell a product. Now it's loading. Under this sales campaign, we have in Facebook Meta Ads Manager, we have 3 tabs in the ad manager. These 3 tabs, this is where we set our campaign to run on Facebook. Now, the first one that we call campaign level. Under this campaign level, where you set a campaign name, then you set if this particular ad is a political campaign, you let Facebook know. And if you want to set a budget that you want Facebook to run this budget for you automatically to all your ads, this is where you set it. Then we also have ad set level. Under this ad set level, that is where we set our audience and the placements, the people that we want Facebook to show our ads to, and the places where we want Facebook to place our ads. That is what we do under the ad set. Then we also have the ad level. The ad level, that is where we set the location where we want Facebook to run this our ad campaign from, like the page, Facebook page or Instagram page. Then we also have a creative. This is where we upload our image, the image of the product. Then we set our ad copy, we set the headline. Then we also choose a CTA, click-through rate, that we want to target or to optimize for in the Facebook ads. So I'm going to start it from the campaign level to ad set level to ad level. So this setup, it's for any business, either a product-based business. A product-based means somebody or a company that is selling a product. A product could be either a wristwatch or a rechargeable fan or any product of your choice, either a Shopify product, any product that you have, or a service-based. If you are a real estate owner or a school owner or any service that you are rendering, this is how to set it up. Just make sure you follow along with my step-by-step guide on how to set up your campaign, your ad set level, and your ad level. So let's get started. So under this campaign level, I've selected my objective as sales because I want to promote a product. So this is sales. Then under the campaign name, I will edit the campaign. Then I'll give the campaign name sales campaign for a product. Now I've given the campaign name. Then under the special ad category, because this ad is not going to be a political campaign or any government campaign, so I'm not going to touch there because it's just a product that I want to promote on Facebook. So it is a normal campaign. So then under the budget, if you want to set your budget, e.g., it depends on your ad budget that you have available for this campaign. So you can set your budget 2,000 per day, or 3,000 per day, or 5,000 per day, or 10,000 per day. But what I will advise you is to start low. You can set your campaign to 3,000 or 2,000. Then as the campaign results, the performance is making you happy, you can increase your budget at any time. So you can set it up, start from 3,000, then once the performance peak, then you can increase your budget so that you get more result. So I'm setting it as 3,000 to start with. Then I'm through, you click on next. Under the next, I come to the ad sets. Then this ad sets, the first thing that I need to do is to name this ad sets. I will name it as ad set copy 1, ad set copy 1. So under this ad set copy 1, then the next thing is conversion. Now under this conversion, we have two places where you can direct the traffic from Facebook to. Is either from your website or from Messenger. So now if you want to use a website funnel, you can actually target from a website. This website enables you to drive, Facebook will drive this traffic to your website, where your website will do the conversion, then they buy the products from your website. But if you don't have a website, you want to make use of your WhatsApp business, then you need to choose a messenger. A messenger, as a default, you will be using your Facebook Messenger. But don't worry, when we get to the ad level, we will change this messenger to WhatsApp so that you'll be able to get your order via WhatsApp. The people will place order from your ads, then Facebook will direct them to your WhatsApp. Just make sure you watch this video to the end so that I'll be able to show you how to change this messenger to WhatsApp message so that your order will come directly to your WhatsApp. Make sure you watch this video to the end. So I'm using a website. If I'm using a website to close or to sell my products, then you select a website. But if I'm using a WhatsApp business to get the order, I click on Messenger. So I'll click on website, then I'll go back. You set your conversion. On your website, there's something that we call a pixel. A pixel is a tracking code that Facebook will install on your website. So any traffic that is coming from Facebook to your website, Facebook will be able to monitor this audience. What do they do? Where do they click? How many minutes or how many hours do they stay on your website? Then do they finally buy what you are selling? So Facebook will use all these events to optimize people likely to buy from you. Facebook will make use of any user that come from Facebook to your website, buy what you are selling. Facebook will now use it to be looking for people like that. So Facebook will make use of the pixel to track the user so that Facebook will be giving you people like that that will be buying what you are selling. So, but there is a problem that comes from Apple iOS 14. Apple iOS 14 updates stop Facebook pixel from tracking Apple users from Facebook. So Facebook results were not giving a proper tracking. So Facebook developed a new code which is called conversion API. The conversion API work along with the pixel to monitor people, their activity on your website. So now I've installed a Facebook pixel on my website, and I've also installed a conversion API on my website. That's why I can pick from here. I can pick any pixel that I want to make use. Then I also select conversion API that I'm optimizing for. I'm optimizing for purchase. So before you can select the pixel, pixel must have been firing on your website. You will have installed Facebook pixel on your website. Then also a conversion API. You'll have added a token, a conversion API token on your website. This pixel and conversion is another topic on its own. If you want me to create a video on pixel, conversion API, custom conversion, and offline tracking, if you want me to create a video to treat this or teach you this, drop it in the comment section. I will see it, then work on it, create a video, show you how you can install pixel on your website, conversion API on your website, then the custom conversion, and also track offline tracking on your website. So let's continue. So now I've selected my location where I want to sell the product, which is on my website, then the conversion, and I've also picked my event, conversion event. So then let's go back to the conversion. I've shown you how the website works, but if I'm using a messenger, the messenger, I also pick my conversion, pixel, then conversion, purchase, because I'll be using this messenger to teach you, if you don't have your own website, to teach you how you can direct the order to your WhatsApp directly instead of messenger. So that's why I changed it to messenger, so that I'll be able to treat that. So then you come to the audience. The next thing is to set your audience location. Location, where do you want to target? Is it only Lagos, or you want to target the entire Nigeria? Or whichever location you want to target. You can target a country, you can target a region, you can target a city. So all you just need to do, you put, if you want to change this, you click on it, then you type your location. I want to target Lagos. So now it has changed from Nigeria to Lagos City. So that is how to target your location. My location, I've changed it to Lagos. So that is how to target your location. Then the next thing is to come to detailed targeting. Under this detailed targeting, you had who are likely the people you are looking for, or which interests, their interests. Where do you think they are? I'm targeting luxury people because what I want to sell a Rolex wristwatch. So I'm targeting luxury watch. Now I've selected luxury watches. So this, you can see location, then include luxury watch. Okay. Then you select. Now I've clicked, you can see I've selected luxury watches. So this page, I'm targeting the people that like this page, because what I want to promote is Rolex watch. So Rolex is one of the luxury item. So that's why I'm picking the luxury watches interest. So anybody that like this page, Facebook will show my ads to them. They are likely to buy what I'm selling. Then exclude. I want to remove anybody using 2G. If you are using a 2G phone to access Facebook, you might not have money to buy my luxury item, which is Rolex. So that's why I'm saying Facebook, remove anybody using a 2G network to access. Don't show my ads to them. So then under the minimum age, I'm going to use 25, then 54. All gender. All gender. So now my audience size is 370,000 to 430. These are the audience size because my location is Lagos. Don't forget, location is Lagos, and people who like luxury watch. So, and the age must be 25 to 54. So that's why my size is 370,000 to 430. That is my audience. Then the placements, I want to optimize. I'm using a mobile phone. I don't want to target desktop users. I'm targeting a mobile phone. So devices mobile. Then I'm done with ad sets. I've named the ad sets. I've given it name. Then I've chosen my conversion where I want to take the order from. I'll be using a WhatsApp funnel. So I choose a messenger, and I've also choose my conversion events. I've set my audience. Then I've also set my placement where I want Facebook to place my advert. So then you click next. So now this is the last tab under the campaign level. So now this is the first thing that you need to do here. You name your ad. So I'm going to call it ad 01 because I'll be adding more ads. So now I want to use ad 01 so that when I check my results, which ad that is performing well, I'll be able to know the ad that is working fine and the one that is not working. So now you need to name your ad, any name that is related to what you can easily see and remember. So now I've used ad 01. Then identity. Identity means which page do you want to run these ads from. I'm going to select my page. I've selected my page where I want to run this ad from. Then also the Instagram account, because I'm running this ad on both Facebook and on Instagram. So I've selected my Instagram page and also a Facebook page. That is for the identity. Then the ad setup. Under this ad setup, this is where you select what do you want to use. Is it an image or is it a video or which one? So now you leave it as create ad. The setup, you leave it as create. You are not using existing ad, so you create ad. Then because I'm using image or video, so I'll leave it as image or video. Then the next step is the creative. This creative is where the major work is. This is where your image is going to work. Then your ad copy for the product, then image of the product or a video, and the headline. Then the CTA, this is where you do the setup. So this is the main area where you do your setup from. So now I'm using an image. Then in this place, you are going to pick the image you want to use. So this image, these are the image that I have on my page. So let's assume I'm selling a rechargeable fan. So I've selected the rechargeable fan. So it's loading. So I've picked that. I picked the rechargeable, then the headline. order now or shop now. These are the two words that you can use for an e-commerce. Either you are selling a product, any product, the CTA, let it be shop now or order now. Preferably shop now. So I'm using the headline shop now. Then I'll go to the primary text. This product is going to make your life easier. So I'm only typing this just because of this practical sake. If I'm selling the product, I'm going to use a nice ad copy. I'll use a hook to start, then use my other copy. In this ad copy, I'm going to tell the audience what this product is about, the solution that this product is bringing to them, their benefit. I'm going to add it into the ad copy, but this is a practical, so that's why I'm just limiting the ad copy to this. So now I've typed my primary text. If you are doing yours, type more text so that you will get what you are looking for. The ads will be able to convert where you need to use a persuasive and a compelling ad copy to sell your product. So that is where the copywriting skill need to come in place. So you need to write a good ad copy to sell your product. So you put it in the primary text, then we'll come to this call to action. So don't forget, I told you I'm going to show you where you select a CTA that will direct the order to your WhatsApp. So now this is the place, call to action. You scroll down, you see send message, send WhatsApp message. So send WhatsApp message. When you use this CTA, this call to action, anybody that place order from your ads, Facebook will direct the message to your WhatsApp, your business WhatsApp that is linked to your business page. Facebook will direct the order to there. So before you make use of your WhatsApp, make sure you add your business WhatsApp number to your page so that Facebook can direct anybody who is interested in what you are selling to them on WhatsApp. So you can make sure you check your ads, check everything, check the image. Is the image correct? Check the headline, check the primary text before you submit for review. So, but the first thing you need to do after you said and you agree that everything is right, you click on preview ads. So you wait for it to load. Now, the network, from my own side, the network is bad. But once you click on that preview, it's going to preview your ads for you. It's going to show you how the ads will look like on other Facebook user. Once you are okay with it, you can set for publish. Don't forget, this is creating an ads from your mobile phone, but preferably if you have a desktop users have more opportunity to set the campaign to look more professional. Also, from this mobile app, you can as well I've just created a successful ad campaign. Then if I'm okay with it, I can publish it. If I'm not okay, I will go back, then edit. So you click on review. So on this review, it's going to show you a preview of your ads. So if I'm not okay with the way the ad is, the network is bad. So once I'm okay with it, I'll click publish. Once you click publish, that means you are sending your ads set up to Facebook for them to review. Once they review it and it pass through their standard policy, it pass through all their law, then they will approve your ads. Once they approve your ads will start displaying. Once it starts displaying, people on Facebook can place order. People on WhatsApp, so people on Instagram can place order. Then Facebook will direct all this order to you on WhatsApp if you use WhatsApp funnel. But if you use a website funnel, Facebook will direct all this traffic to your website, where your website will do the sales from. So this is the end of this training. Kindly tell me in the comment section. I hope this training help you to create your Facebook ads from your phone. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Or is there any other suggestion that you want me to do? Kindly drop it in the comment section. And at this stage, I want you to like my page. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You like this video, then share this video to your loved ones. Don't forget, turn on the bell icon for notification so that once I drop my next video, you'll be notified, then you can get access to this video and watch, then you learn. Don't forget, in the comment section, drop whatever thing that you like or that you suggest for me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Happy selling.